Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that I might have bought that's fake. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my gym, and today we're going to discuss whether that's right, these things right here are fake. And you guys are going to help me out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and also get the free money-making guide. I'll teach you 50 items, what to buy, what to resell that you can commonly find at thrift stores and garage sales. Go pick it up. First link down below. It's free. Okay, so we got to figure out if these things are real or fake. These are Adidas, NMD, I think they're called like Human Race, collaboration with Chanel and Pharrell. Yeah, crazy, right? And they look stellar. I bought them at a Goodwill for 34 bucks. I'm not 100% sure these are real. I think they're fake, but I'm not sure if they're fake either. They could be real. So I hope you guys are out there, some of you sneakerhead resellers are gonna see this and go, oh, I know that that's real or fake. Let's take a look. All right, so when we're dealing with an NMD, first of all, we wanna look at every little piece of it. What do you guys think? Does this look pretty fake or pretty real? Let's take a look at the foam as well. If you take a look at the foam of NMD shoes, what do you guys think of that foam right there? Right? These things feel really good. They feel built correctly. Inside, there's all sorts of, Adidas type stuff, and the tag looks like totally Adidas as well. And as I'm talking about this, you're gonna see shots that are subbed in. That'll help you determine whether these are real or fake. The bottom looks pretty solid. We have the full-blown Adidas logo bottom, all that kind of stuff. And then we get down to the actual front of the shoe, which looks pretty good. There's a number in the front that says L41360, and that's sitting right here on both shoes. So that's pretty interesting. But the most interesting thing is really the stitching of the font of Chanel and Pharrell, right? And most people would say that, if you got to determine whether something is fake or real, at least in shoe world, stitching is a really important thing, right? So this is what, Chanel and Pharrell stitching kind of looks like on this shoe. And I think the real or the fake kind of comes down to this stitching. And this is one of those things where this shoe, if it's real, first of all, remember I bought it for 34 bucks at a thrift store. If this is a real Chanel Pharrell collaboration Human Race NMD shoe, it's probably worth in the vicinity of, 2 to 4K, right? Now, if it's fake, I don't know what that's going to be worth, and I don't know how I'm going to get rid of them. But maybe someone out there can help me if they are fake. Anyway, you can DM me. But yeah, if they are fake, they're pretty good fakes, honestly. But they were just sitting there at a Goodwill rack, and they look to be like mint. So even more so kind of convincing that maybe some sneakerhead or whatever, or someone just donated them. Someone's mother found this in someone's closet and just donated them, not really knowing, because they do look like they haven't even been worn. Even the laces are tied a certain way on both of them, right? So it's one of those things where my expertise is, it's kind of like iffy on this one, right? I'm not a sneakerhead by any means. I don't collect or sell Yeezys or Jordans or any of that kind of stuff. And on eBay, as I can remember it, there's like a middleman now. There's like a eBay authenticator. So, I could list them on eBay. And my concern is if they are fake and they go to the authenticator and they determine it's fake, what happens to my account, all that kind of stuff. I don't want to be blacklisted or anything off eBay just on some random pair of shoes. So that's going through my head too, right? What do you guys think down below? I thought I would make a video about it and you guys can help me out. Put a comment down below. What do you think? Because, when you're at a thrift store or a garage sale, you might come into a situation kind of like this. Might not be with such a blatant shoe like a Chanel Pharrell collaboration Adidas shoe, but it could be with some Yeezys or some Jordans or something like that, and you might just not know. And the real question is, would you pick up your shoe for 34 bucks and bet on, hundreds of dollars in resale or even thousands in this case? And how would you authenticate it, right? Real important kind of questions. So let me know down below if you guys want to help me out. Here's all the stuff. And yeah, I'd be curious to see the comments. I'll talk to you on the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.